Hi guys, so I realised I haven't made a new video in a while, but I got a new puppy, so I hope that explains things. But anyway, we're going to get started and I'm going to show you how I got this warm toned glittery orange look. I'm using the Revolution Forever Flawless Violet palette to create my look today, which I've already done a video on. But I wanted to ease myself back into filming with something I do all the time and I love wearing, which is a warm toned orange eye. So I'm starting with my eyebrows done and my lid's already primed, so I can go ahead and apply this bright matte orange shadow called Lava to my crease and blend it outwards and upwards towards my brow bone. I'm then moving to a more earthy terracotta orange shadow called Flame to add some definition and to start building up the colours on my eye. Now I'm using the matte yellow from the palette called Ignite and blending out the edges of this look using small circular motions with my brush. Now I'm building up the depth in the crease even more using this more reddish earthy matte orange shadow called Power. I'm just blending it back and forth in my crease until I'm happy with the way it looks. I'm also applying this shadow to the outer third of my lids. And then I'm just adding even more depth to my crease using this warm chocolate brown shadow called Ashes, and I'm using a slightly larger blending brush to push that colour deep into the crease. I'm also smudging that brown shadow under my lower lash line with a small smudge brush. And then I'm blowing out that lower lash line using both the shade Lava and Ignite. And because I'm a stupid idiot, I completely forgot to press record on my camera for this bit, so you'll have to make do with me just showing off what I used. Basically, I used NYX's glitter primer to carve out the inner half of my lid, and then press this gold Snazaroo glitter over that. And now I'm just applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. With a stiff fan brush, I'm using it to flick away any bits of glitter fallout. And if the glitter is very persistent, and let's face it, you know it is, you take some makeup remover on a cotton pad and clean up any remaining glitter that may have fallen on your face. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bone, inner corners of my eyes and my cupid's bow with my favourite Mega Lightning highlighting powder. Now, some people might say to do either eyes or lips, but I like to do both, so of course I'm going to start by lining my lips with a red lip liner. And to finish off this look, I'm applying my absolute new favourite red lipstick, which is Fenty Beauty's Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. This lipstick is just so beautifully pigmented that I can cover both my top and bottom lip pretty evenly without having to dip back into the pot. So, major thanks to Rihanna for taking the time to put thought and effort into her product,